Hello friends. Today I will tell you about tremendous weight loss home remedies at your home. Black pepper has vitamin C which curbs free radicals. Black pepper helps reduce belly fat. Black pepper is a natural antidepressant and it stimulates the nervous system, so it helps memory too. But pepper is not only good for stomach ailments. Recent studies show that the piperine in black pepper actually aids weight loss in a number of ways. Here we are showing you some recipes use black pepper for weight loss. Before start this video, I want to request you, please subscribe our channel for more future health and beauty tips. So let's get started. Please watch this video till end for more benefits. 1. Black pepper tea. Ingredients you need: ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1 inch ginger root, 1 green tea bag, 1 cup water. How to make it? 1. Use a mortar and pestle to crush the ginger root. 2. Let the cup of water come to a boil and add the crushed ginger. 3. Boil it for 5 minutes and strain it into a cup. 4. Soak the green tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes. 5. Add black pepper and stir well before drinking. Benefits: ginger has antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties and helps to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease and gut problems. Green tea is anti-diabetic in nature, helps to treat obesity and cardiovascular disease. 2. Black pepper and honey. Ingredients you need: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon honey, ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. How to make it? 1. Boil a cup of water. 2. Add honey and black pepper. 3. Stir well and let it cool down to room temperature before drinking. Benefits: this concoction acts as a detox water when consumed in the morning. Honey is a natural sweetener which enhances taste, and it is also a potential anti-diabetic agent. Hence, considering black pepper and honey for weight loss is a healthy option. 3. Black pepper and kale smoothie. Ingredients you need: 1 cup roughly chopped kale, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, half lime juice. How to make it? 1. Toss the chopped kale into the blender and give it a spin. 2. Pour the blended kale into a glass and add lemon juice and black pepper. 3. Stir well before drinking. Benefits: this is a healthy and quick breakfast option. Kale is popularly known for its ability to aid weight loss. It helps to suppress glucose levels in our body after a meal and thereby prevents diabetes. Lime is an excellent source of vitamin C and helps to strengthen the immune system. 4. Black pepper and fruit juice. Ingredients you need: ½ cup watermelon, ½ cup pineapple, ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon lime juice, pinch of salt. How to make it? 1. Toss the watermelon and pineapple into a blender. 2. Give it a spin and pour the juice into a glass. 3. Add lime juice, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of salt. 4. Stir well. Benefits: watermelon is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals and thus helps to fight certain types of cancer, cardiovascular diseases, obesity, and diabetes. Pineapples are a great source of vitamin C and help to treat diabetes and asthma. Limes are low in calories, rich in vitamin C, and helps fight heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you think this video is helpful for others, please share it on WhatsApp and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more health, beauty and home remedies tips. Bye bye. Take care.